If you have just $1,000 and want to turn it into something bigger in 2025, this video is for you. I'm going to break down 5 smart low-risky investment options, show you how to mix them for maximum growth, and help you avoid beginner traps. Stick around to the end, I'll share my personal strategy too. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss weekly tips on growing your finances smarter. Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back to Wealthy Up, where we simplify money, investing, and wealth building for real people. Do you want to grow your money long-term? Create passive income? If you're not ready to take risks, park part of your $1,000 here and earn around 4 to 5% interest while keeping it liquid. Great for emergency funds or short-term goals. Save for something in 12 months. Use a platform like Robinhood or Public to buy fractional shares of big stocks like Apple, Tesla, or Google with just $50 or $100. Don't overdo this. It's higher risk. Stick to companies with real revenue and long-term value. Your goal affects your entire investment strategy. Set your financial goal, stick to large caps like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and use platforms with strong security. Don't put more than 10 to 15% of your $1,000 in here, unless you understand the volatility. It's risky but could offer big upside. Before we invest $1, ask yourself, what's the goal? Option 1. High-yield savings account. Let's start with the safest option, a high-yield savings account. Option 2. Low-cost index funds. Next up, index funds like the S&P 500. This is a classic wealth-building method. You're buying a small piece of the 500 biggest U.S. companies. Historically, this earns about 7 to 10% annually over the long term. Use platforms like Vanguard, Fidelity, or even apps like M1 Finance. Option 3. Fractional shares in individual stocks. Use $100 to $300 to take a course. Learn a high-income skill like coding, content creation, or freelancing. Balance safety and growth. Choose platforms with low fees. And most importantly, stay consistent. Even $50 a month after this can speed things up dramatically. Drop a comment below. How are you planning to invest in 2025? Subscribe to Wealthy Up for more honest, actionable financial tips every week. This can turn your $1,000 into thousands more over time. It's not flashy, but it's powerful. Got a company you believe in? Option 4. Invest in yourself. Here's a hidden gem. Investing in yourself. Option 5. Crypto. Yes, crypto is still here. But in 2025, be smart. Smart portfolio example. Here's a smart way to split your $1,000. $300 into index funds, $200 into a high-yield savings account, $200 into skill building or a side hustle, $150 into fractional shares of individual stocks, $150 into crypto. This mix gives you safety, growth potential, and personal development. Recap and action plan. So let's recap. Don't just throw your $1,000 into one thing. Call to action. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who's trying to invest smarter.